Welcome to this gentle morning flow designed to help you find relief in the low back. Let's get started on our mat today. Laying down, happy baby, bend both knees, grab for bottoms of your feet, your calves, or your thighs, soles of feet pointing up, and just begin to rock gently back and forth from left to right, giving yourself a nice lower back massage and making sure that your low spine, low back is on the ground so you can have a nice long spine here. Wherever you are, breathe into the different sensations in the stretch behind your legs and also in the lower back. Just go ahead and continue to give yourself this nice gentle massage for a few more rounds of breath. Plant your feet down onto the ground, knees bent. We'll take figure four legs, crossing your left ankle on top of your right knee. Left toes are pointed up. Option to stay here or reach through to grab for your right thigh, pulling in your right thigh to help get a nice stretch in the inner left thigh. If you would like more of a deeper stretch sensation, option to press left elbow into left thigh to get a little bit deeper in that stretch while you are continuing to flex your left toes pointing upwards. Here you might even consider straightening that right leg and rolling out the ankle a few times if that is feeling good in your body today. Go ahead and unclasp your hands behind your foot if you do have your foot wrapped, and go ahead and take a supine twist over towards the right side. The sole of your left foot might come down to the ground. An option to send your gaze past the left shoulder. Arms can come out to a T shape or cactus arms. And just noticing where your breath goes in this twist. On your exhale, see if you can sink your left shoulder down closer into the ground. Get a little deeper in this twist, and letting go of any tension. Bring your knees back to center. Let's swap out your legs. Left foot back down to the ground. Right ankle crosses over left knee this time. Here is a great place to stay, or you could bring your left thigh up closer to you, reach behind that left thigh or shin, pull your legs closer to you to intensify that stretch behind that right inner thigh, right glute area. Wherever you are, make sure you're flexing your right toes. And again, here's a great place to stay, or option to press your right elbow into right thigh to get a little deeper sensation in your right glutes. Option to maybe flex and point, roll out your left ankle here. If you're making circles, make sure you switch sides, go the other direction. Nice, and place that left foot back down on the ground if it's lifted. And send the bottom of your right sole towards the left side, getting a nice gentle twist here. If it feels comfortable in the neck, option to send your gaze over towards that right side. Wherever you are, see if you can sink your right shoulder a little bit closer towards the ground on your exhale. Nice. Go ahead and come back to center. Place both feet back down onto the ground this time. We'll just windshield wiper out the legs. So bring your feet wide and drop your knees over from left to right a few times, just releasing any tension from our low spine here. And bring your legs back towards center. Go ahead and bend both knees. Give yourself a big hug. Wrap your arms around the knees. And however you'd like to get up into a tabletop, maybe rock and roll across the length of your spine or roll over onto your favorite side and push yourself up, we'll meet in a tabletop position. From our tabletop, we'll send our legs long behind us and lower all the way down to the ground, Sphinx pose, placing our forearms down onto the ground, palms facing down. Our shoulders are stacked right on top of our elbows, coming into a nice gentle back bend here. Our back toes are untucked. And see if you can press forearms gently down into the ground as you pretend to drag your hips through between the arms to get a little deeper in this back bend. Nice. And we'll gently lower all the way down to the ground, making a pillow for ourselves with our hands to rest our forehead on. Bend both knees here. We'll windshield wiper, drop the feet over from left to right, getting a nice gentle release in our low spine. Releasing any tension we might be holding on to there. We'll take a big breath in. Big breath out. Send your feet back behind you, Sphinx pose. Forearms down to ground, elbows underneath shoulders. Back toes are untucked, coming into this nice, gentle, supported back bend here. Send your gaze down towards your mat in between the fingertips to keep your neck neutral here. And slowly lower all the way back down to the ground, making a pillow for yourself with the hands placing forehead on hands, windshield wipers, and the feet from left to right again. Getting that nice gentle release in the low back. Send your feet back behind you, coming into Cobra this time. We'll place our hands underneath shoulders, back toes untucked. Press yourself up into a gentle back bend, baby cobra here. And slowly lower all the way back down to the ground, forehead rests on your mat. Give yourself a nice gentle forehead massage by rocking your head from left to right, left to right. Cobra once more. Place palms underneath shoulders. Lift head, neck, and shoulders up and off the ground. Just a gentle back bend here. And slowly lower all the way back down to the ground. Tuck your back toes. Press yourself up through tabletop. Child's pose. Send the hips back. Your hips can sit back any amount. They don't have to go all the way to the heels. Fingertips reaching out long in front of you. Toes are untucked. Send a big breath into your backside body here. Exhale, let it go. One more like this, and a big breath to the backside of your back body. Exhale, let it go. Feeling so much more spaciousness and ease in the back. Press yourself up into a tabletop position. Tuck the back toes, hips up, downward facing dog. Your knees can have a generous bend, and go ahead and pedal out the feet left, right here. Bend one knee, straighten the other leg, and switch it out a few times. This should feel really nice for the low back, just getting that release there. You can press both hands into the mat and shake your head out. Yes, no, yes, no. Softening the shoulders. And when you're ready, we'll find some stillness in our downward facing dog. Take a big breath in. Exhale, release. On an inhale, just come up to your tiptoes. Exhale, heels sink heavy down. This time on an inhale, send your gaze up towards top of mat. Bottom of exhale, take baby steps all the way up to the top. Ragdoll. Heel toe your feet so you have a wide stance. Keep a generous bend in your knees as you grab opposite elbows and just let your upper body rest on the thighs here. Belly resting on thighs. Let the head hang heavy here. And just shake out your head. Yes, no, yes, no. Sway from side to side. This should feel really nice in the low back here. And slowly, when you're ready, place palms back down on the ground and come into a comfortable, easy seat here. You can sit cross-legged or kneeling over the legs, whichever feels comfortable in your body today. Feel your sit bones ground down into the earth. Sit up tall, crown reaches up, and on an inhale, we'll sweep our arms up overhead. Exhale, we twist right. Inhale to come back to center, arms up. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, sit up tall, arms reach up. Exhale, right hand place down on ground, left fingertips reach towards the right, gentle side bend. Nice stretch in that left side body. Inhale to come back to center, side bend on the other side. Left hand plants down, right fingertips reach left, gentle side stretch on the right side body. Inhale to come back to center, arms up overhead, and exhale, hands come down onto the knees or thighs. Sit up tall, shoulders stacked over the hips, crown reaches up. Tuck the chin slightly, send a soft gaze down past tip of nose. Close the eyes if it feels comfortable. We'll take 3 rounds of breath together to close out our practice. First, exhale all the air out of your mouth. Big inhale through nose, fill up. Exhale, sigh it out. Big breath in, fill up belly. Exhale, let it go. One more together like this. Big breath, fill up. Exhale all the way empty. Take a moment to check in with your body. Notice how you're feeling after some intentional breath and movement. I hope you found a little bit of release in the low back today, feeling a little bit more spaciousness and ease there. Great work today. Thank you so much for joining me in this gentle morning flow. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click the like button. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.